Hey guys, Foxy Gaming here. Today I will be now going to school. I'm gonna bring this phone with me because this is my dad's phone. But this is like a short form video for me because I'm gonna I don't usually post these kind of videos like when I'm actually going to school. Go on, like do another shit. One second, come on. Son of a ditch. My water is ice now, I guess. It's just ice. Oh, and it's very beautiful outside today. And this will be it for now, I guess. I'll post later or tomorrow. So, GG's, guys. GG.